finally we are
Bye.
back. I hope the internet connection is stable now, beta. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I think, ma'am,
yes,
I
ma'am.
think if your internet connection is low, don't put on your video. Use only your audio.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So kids, how were your vacations? What all did you do?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Sarah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, me and Amir and my friend Abbas, we found two little pigeons and we gave them food every day. Someone left them in the basket. They were very small, so we took care of them. And then one day, a crow came and ate them. Then we did a investigation.
What about others? What about Zainab, Hamza?
Why do you need to do investigation if you know the killer?
No, because we found some the rat's potty also there. So we are investigation who has killed.
Then
Crow or
how
rat.
did you tell that crow ate them?
No, because Mama was saying that when she went there, she saw a crow flying around there, and we found the rat's potty also there.
How do you know it was a rat?
Yeah. Because I don't know. Daddy said that this is rats.
How
Okay,
is
so
she
maybe
so
rat ate
sure?
one bird. Maybe the rat ate one bird and the crow ate the other bird.
Yes,
Both of them are
we
criminals.
found that the blood of them.
You should have took an injection, took it and kept it inside, and you should have made a little hole, kept the blood samples inside, and say rest in peace and pack that up.
Oh my God,
But
that's
he
a
was
dangerous
saying that
options.
if I get their body, I will. If I get the pigeon's body, I will.
Ma'am, when I go to the new planet,
For now, you don't have the body, so you can only bury the blood of.
when the sky got dark, my mother got scared. He was crying. So mother had to give him food, and then he was fighting.
Why is sound not very clear today? I'm wondering. Anyways, we just try and continue. Okay, so I just hope everybody is safe. See, again, the cases are increasing. We all know the third wave is back.
Omicron or Corona?
Yes.
We didn't go anywhere for
Omicron
the
is
holidays
threatening
because
everybody.
we went to Dubai.
Omicron is
We went to
spreading
Dubai,
so fast.
and then Mama said we're not going anywhere for another 6 months. So I didn't go
Ma'am,
anywhere.
there is case in 804 in our building.
Sorry, what is in your building?
There is a corona case in 804
Okay, in your
in our
building.
building.
Okay, so be very
Tara, please
careful.
don't come to
There's a
football.
corona case too in our building too, on second floor somewhere. I just don't know.
Tara should not come. Tara and Hamdan should not come to football.
Is Sad
My mother
and
said
Ziveria,
that,
are you cousins? Are you
I have
related to each other? Sad and Ziveria?
Yes.
Ma'am, they are
cousins.
cousins.
Your cousins. That's great. And Sad, where are you from? You from Qatar, no?
No, I live in Qatar.
You live in Qatar. Okay. Great.
You,
He is
but
from India.
now we shifted to India only.
Somewhere, some lecture has been happening, which I can hear. Which is that place?
Ma'am,
Yeah, we
it's
lived
Faraday.
in Qatar, but now we shifted to India.
Okay.
Ma'am, because I can hear the Faraday children, which are Mariam's friends, I can hear them.
Okay, okay. Not a problem. Okay, anyways.
Ma'am, you know,
Yes.
in the holidays, Abba bought me a book.
Which book, beta?
Virat Kohli.
Oh, wow, that's really nice. You would be so
I
happy.
got Harry Potter's 4th book.
Wow.
I have read till 9
Something
chapters.
productive. Did anybody study?
I got 2 books from the library.
Wow, that's really nice. See, reading is a very good
And I
habit.
borrowed 2 Nancy Drew books from my friend. I borrowed it from her.
Ma'am, I took a book from my cousin. It's Wayside School Gets a Little Stranger. Wayside School. It's a good book. It's a really good book.
Very-
Ma'am, first time I'm reading book with interest.
Wow, that's really nice. Even I want to do it. So inshallah, even I will read someday. Because I don't know why when it comes to book now, I am very lazy in reading books. I don't know why do I find it very boring. But definitely I want to inculcate this. I will do it myself too.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Harry
this is
Potter
the
does not
first
have any
book I am
pictures,
reading.
but so
The first book I
so
am reading with
interesting.
interest.
Harry
Else I
Potter is
don't
not
read.
boring at all. Like there's not
Yeah,
one part
no,
in
it
the
without
book
pictures
also
also
boring.
it's so interesting.
Yeah, because you can imagine everything going on in your head.
Facts is in this. Fact. I agree.
Did anybody read
I want to
the
help
other
from
2
your
books
side.
of J.K. Rowling?
I am not able to open my PPT. Why is it because all my windows are open? Is it something because of that?
Ma'am, maybe next class we can open it.
This class we will play.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yeah,
wants
yes,
to
ma'am.
just play. Like I've already invested
One
my
more
2
class
lectures
free does not harm.
where we did not do anything. So how can I play? I have to start with okay, yes, finally I can see it's free start. Nobody is listening to you. As you said, you are going to play. I got my okay, fine. Before I go ahead, what I wanted to say is, first of all, please mute yourself because I am constantly getting this disturbance from your end. Please mute yourself. Secondly, we have our examinations after 15th of January. It might be any day, like from 17th or 18th. So are you all prepared? Did you all study anything? Wow, Zena seems to be prepared. Very good, Zena. What about others? Did you all study? No, Saad is a thumbs down. Oh my God. Okay, that's great. So we have our examinations for electricity.
Ma'am, you
Assignment.
said thumbs down, great.
The assignment is not yet been, I'll be just posting it today because the electricity assignment is yet to be done. We had already discussed question answers. We did the drawings and everything was done, but yet we are supposed to do the question answer thing. I'll be posting it today. Just see to it that you do it quickly because again, doing it quickly will help you to revise the chapter yourself. Okay, so I'll be just doing it today. And for today, we'll be starting with our new chapter, Caring for the Environment. Before I start with this chapter, before the explanation, yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please give
It will
the
be
science
MCQs,
portion?
right?
Sorry, Zena.
Can you please give the science portion?
Science portion, like I've posted on the Google Classroom, but yet again, I will
Yeah.
just repeat. It is food chain and electricity. Chapter number 3 and
Ma'am.
chapter
Oh,
number
yes,
4.
yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
I forgot. I saw it.
These 2 chapters will
Ma'am,
be there.
can you change from electricity? Can you put something?
Ma'am, it will be MCQ
Ma'am.
or written.
It will be
Ma'am, will it be
Will it be MCQ or will it be written
it
paper?
will be both of them. See, like if it is for 25 marks, I'll see to it that 15 marks will be for MCQs and rest 10 marks. I'll keep some drawings for 5 marks. And for 5 marks, I'll ask you some sort of small question answers, but yet a little tricky ones. That is how I'll bifurcate it. Don't worry, we'll kind of brush you up till the exam comes. We'll be giving some sort of important questions and all. We'll be revising it also. But as for now, we'll be starting with this chapter. Okay, before I start explaining, I want some inputs from your side. What is environment? How do we care for it? What are the alarms that are, kind of buzzing? Now you've done much damage to the environment. Now you have to put up your socks and do something for the environment. Anybody who wants to share from your end about the environment?
And something I
Ma'am.
have done good is that plant trees and like don't use cars so much because they increase the pollution in the environment.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in my previous school, in science, the teacher told that the AC CFC gas, damages the ozone layer. So I put on my WhatsApp status about it.
Wow, that's really nice. See, Sarah, I've noticed this thing. Miss Sarah is very soft-hearted. If she comes to know that something is harming something, so she'll definitely take up the action and she'll do whatever she can do the best.
We
That
should
is really
start
nice.
using bicycles instead of car because cars makes more pollution.
Yes, yes. So for short distance, if you can walk up to the distance, or you can opt for a public transport. So instead taking a private transport, you can always either opt for walking or you can take up for public transport. Perfect, Afshan.
And maybe we can also use buses because there are hundreds of cars going. So if all the car drivers or anyone who's in there takes the bus, it will make less pollution.
Perfect, perfect. That is what I said. Using of public services will definitely, will serve your purpose, and yet it will cut down the pollution. Okay.
Ma'am,
Anything else?
a cartoon Ninja Hattori. In that one episode was about this only, that the teacher said that if you don't start saving, one day there will be no electricity and no gas left.
Perfect, perfect. The main purpose of caring for the environment is that whatever resources we have, the mineral oil or whatever resources we have left, it should be used economically. If we use it recklessly, what will happen? Everything will end up very fast, and our future generations will not be able to use them. Right? Okay. What else? Anybody who knows about global warming? So what is global warming? What is ozone layer? Anybody?
Ma'am, I know ozone layer.
Please say.
It protects from sun's UV rays.
Yes, it protects us from the UV rays of the sun. What happens? We have
And it is like a thin blanket around the earth.
perfect, perfect. It's like a
But then because of carbon dioxide in the air, so like it gets thinner and thinner.
Not carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon.
yes. So CFCs are damaging it, and it is causing holes in it. And what will happen if something has a hole in it? What will happen? The rays can now easily transmit through it, and then it will reach up to us, and it can cause deadly disease like cancer. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to just try and stop emission of this harmful gases so that it does not causes any harm to the ozone
Is
layer.
this one a homework? Think about a number of
The
ways
ways
of
of
caring.
caring for the environment. Yes. So what we can do, we have to see, we have a refrigerators. Everybody, if you have a refrigerator, it will be written on it. It is CFC free. AC, you will be written CFC free. Why is it so? Because this gases are harming the ozone layer, and if the ozone layer get harmed, then we all might fall prey to diseases. Okay. Anything who you've heard about the term afforestation and deforestation? Anybody who's heard about this
Yes,
term?
ma'am. Deforestation means deforestation means when you cut the plants,
Very good. When
like
cut down
you
the trees.
deforest. Yeah.
Yes, and what
And
about afforestation?
afforestation means you plant new trees so they become a forest.
So that you plant one.
There must be do it with some other laptop, na? Or with your phone.
What is afforestation? Can you please repeat?
How to save yourself? Go to 5. This is my 5. Go to 5.
Kids, somebody told me about afforestation and now everybody's quiet.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
afforestation is that you plant trees, more trees.
Yes. Is that you plant more trees? Very good, very good. Okay, this is what we've been learning for all these years, and in this chapter we'll be learning about it in detail. Okay, anybody who wants to read this starting? Who wants to read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Sarah, please.
Ma'am, caring for the
May I
environment.
go after Sarah?
Who is this after Sarah?
Hafsa.
Hafsa Khan.
Okay, sure.
In this module, you will find out how humans have positive, good, and negative bad effects on the environment. Think about a number of ways of caring for the environment.
Very good. So what does it find out? How humans have positive and negative effect on the environment. Though we do afforestation, but again, we are only responsible for deforestation also. So we are doing both the things together, positive as well as negative. Okay, so think about the number of ways you're caring for the environment. What did we all suggest? 2-3 things that you all suggested me is use of public vehicles, use of resources carefully. It is not that you use the resources recklessly. Whenever it is possible to save the resources, you should save them. You should go in for afforestation where you have to plant more trees, because these trees will absorb the carbon dioxide and give you oxygen. Okay, more things will be coming on our way. Moving on to the next page. Okay, here we have a word cloud where we will quickly discuss about the different words. What is environment? Some simple definitions. Okay, what is environment? Anybody?
The place around us.
Yes, perfect. The environment, the climate, anything that is surrounding us will be called as an environment. Okay, this is a very typical answer where we learned in our primaries. 3R. What is this 3R? Anybody who knows it? 3 R's.
What, ma'am?
We have this question. What are the 3R? 3 R's. Have you all gone through this question?
Reuse, reduce, and recycle.
Once again. Reduce,
Reuse and cycle.
Recycle.
Perfect. By following these 3 rules, we can save our environment. What is this? Can you please elaborate? Can you please elaborate what is reduce, reuse, and recycle?
Reduce is if there's any bad things that are affecting the environment, so then we can help reduce it.
Yes.
And reuse, we can reuse plastic and other things so that it does not harm the environment. And recycle is also kind of same.
Yes, yes. Where like if we can use it, use the thing again and again, that is reuse. And recycle is like if you have some plastic containers and then you recycle, you mold it into something else and use it in other way, that will be called as recycle. See, we have those leftover pages in our notebook and then we kind of make a diary out of it. So we can give you a simple example of recycle. We're just changing its form and using it again. Okay. What is pollution? Quickly. Somebody who would update me on the term pollution? Kids, what is pollution, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes.
pollution is harming the air.
Yes, pollution is
Harming
And it is 3
harming the
air, water,
environment
and
in
land.
all.
Yes. Yes, all the surrounding that is around us, it can either be water, it would be land, it would be noise, anything that is harming the environment will be called as pollution. Okay, simple. What about landfills? Anybody who knows an example of a landfill or knows what is landfill? Kids, anybody who knows? Why is Zuveria so quiet today? Zuveria, you know what is landfill, beta?
No.
Anybody else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is landfill? A landfill is kind of a place where the rubbish or the garbage, the dump, which is being filled in the land. So it is a very nice way where we can even, kind of fill the land with the
Yes,
dump.
ma'am. So people dig very deep holes and then they put all the garbage inside and then like they cover it again. So then
Yes, and
the
we cover it
garbage
up and then we can
decomposes.
use it again safely. So even the waste has been, kind of decomposed properly, and again the land comes into use. So that is again a very nice and easy way of you are using the land again. Okay, anybody who knows about the
Ma'am,
acid
do
rain?
you know in India we see newspapers are used to take samosa, but in Japan they use newspaper to grow the plants.
To grow the plants. Wow, that's so perfect. Wow.
They use newspaper to grow plants.
Wow, wow, that's very nice. Things are, where there are places where, like, I just came across this video somewhere in Bangalore, where like it is a tea kind of tea stall, but there you have to take your collapsible cups. We get those collapsible cups, so they do not give in those thermocol cups. You have to take your glass with yourself and then pour your tea, enjoy it, and again close the cup and take it to your home. So again, it is a very good initiative where we can save things. Okay.
Ma'am, what is that cup called?
Collapsible cup? You might have seen in your childhood days. Your parents, you can just close the cup and then again you can open it up. If you search in Google now, collapsible cup, you will come to know. Okay, what about acid rains? Anybody who knows what is acid rain? Why does it happen?
I know what acid rain.
Yes, please, Vidya.
I guess it is when because of this only, because of climate change it happens.
Yes, what happens? The factories, they release the factories, or we can say we do so many activities which releases sulfur. This sulfur then raises up in the clouds and get mixed with the rain, and it becomes sulfuric acid, and then that comes pouring down on the earth. And if you're exposed to some sort of acid, what will happen? Everything will get damaged, right from buildings to monuments to aquatic life, plant, everything will get damaged because the acid is being poured on them. Can you imagine pouring an acid on your skin? What will happen? You will kind of burn yourself.
Skin will burn. Our
Yes.
skin will burn. We will have to go to the hospital and be there for 3-4 months or even years.
Perfect,
Get
perfect.
ready.
That is what happened just because of this activities, this reckless activities where we are doing something, but we are not realizing that what byproducts are we producing. This what the sulfur gets released in the air, mixes with the rain and comes down, and it's been damaging the aquatic life so much, the plants, the houses. Like even if you go on Google and you search, we've seen the effect of acid rain was so severe that the monuments were completely tarnished. The entire thing, the surface was completely damaged. That sort of damage an acid rain can cause. Okay, what about greenhouse? Anybody who's seen a greenhouse or knows anything about the greenhouse?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, a greenhouse is it's like a one
I know
huge
what a
building where all plants are kept to get enough sunlight and water.
Yes, but like what is it? What sort of arrangement is it? Why is a greenhouse made?
greenhouse
It's a
is
place
made
full
of
of
glasses.
plants, filled with plants.
Greenhouse is made of glasses and is used to keep plants inside so they get enough sunlight and also get protected by someone who cuts down trees. I know.
Yes, you're partly correct. What wrong did you say is that, see, what is greenhouse? Yes, it is made of some glasses, and it is specially made for plants to protect them from extreme weather. It can be either very hot or very cold, just as to maintain a temperature so that some tender plants can grow well. We make a greenhouse. It is a arrangement where a place is being built up and the temperature is maintained so that the plant can grow easily, because that plant might be located in a place that might turn very hot or that might turn very cold, which is not suitable for the plant. So we are making an arrangement. We are creating a certain temperature that is conducive for its development. That is called as a greenhouse. And what is deforestation quickly?
To cut all of the trees
Yes, but why are the trees being cut down? What for
for
what
making
purpose?
houses
To
and
make houses and papers and get
furnitures.
land. And get
Perfect. So in this word cloud, give me two words that are kind of favorable for the environment and two words that is harming the environment quickly from this word cloud itself. Two words that is favorable for the environment.
Green, recycle
Yes.
and landfill.
Landfill. Perfect. And two examples that are harming the environment.
Pollution and acid rain.
Perfect. Perfect. So quickly moving on to the next page. Okay. What is this? Did you know that we can harm environment just by the way we live our lives? Just so that we live our lives comfortably, we've been harming the environment. Good news. We can do something about it. Okay, what does the picture speak? Anybody who can tell me?
Pollution.
About the factory.
Yes, just to produce some sort of goods or services, not service exactly, goods only. What are these factories doing? They are polluting it. They are releasing harmful gases in the air, which is ultimately raising the temperatures. And
ma'am, do you know, just to make some makeups, they harm the animals.
yes, that's perfectly. Now again, do we have those trend of those animal skin bags? Can you imagine how cruel? Just that your bag should look good, you will kill an animal. That is so unfair. And
Ma'am,
then
it's
that became
as
a symbol of
ma'am.
pride also. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is not as unfair as you think it is.
Why? Please justify.
Because, ma'am, we kill the cows to get their food. If we don't have food in the farms, we kill the cows or pigs to get their food. So if they are already dead, we can't we use
the
their
dead
skin for
animals
something else?
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
the
that's
dead
not-
animals.
We are killing those things for our survival. We are killing it for eating. But the skins, like the bags, that is not for our survival.
that
They're
is
just
what.
killing it for fun and like that.
No, we are killing
the
them.
dead
for-
animals
In
what we
Australia,
left, and
camels
all the leather is left, so we can reuse the leather.
Yeah, we
It's
are
like they're already
recycling.
dead, then it's fine. They're
Already
already
there.
Yeah,
dead, then it's fine.
we kill them for food, and then the dead body we use the leather for something else.
We harming the
Yeah,
environment.
then
In
fine.
Australia, they just
will be
killed it and they just threw
pollution,
it.
then the plants will die. If the plants will die, then herbivores will not have anything to eat, so then they will die. Then the carnivorous animals, they don't have anything to eat, then they will die. Then us humans, we eat fruits that comes from the plants and the animals. If they will not survive any longer, then we will die.
Yeah, there's definitely a kind of a chain which needs to happen, or else it will create an unbalanced environment around us. That is completely fine. But my point of view, or just my point of view, see, there might be different opinions, is just for
Then it will disturb the ecosystem.
just for your convenience, you're hurting somebody. According to me, is not fine. See, again, killing an animal for your food also to a very much extent is unfair. I completely agree. But yet again, it is a question of our survival, our existence. But just
Ma'am, it is the circle of life. If you like it or not like it,
yes,
it
but we
keeps
have
going
to
on. You
face it.
cannot
That's
change it.
completely correct, sir. That's absolutely correct.
Ma'am, Hamza.
Hamza. Okay. So how can we work to save our natural world? What can we do to save energy? How do we harm our world? How can small things such as recycling help to care for our environment? quickly discussing these 4 questions. We'll be ending a session. Okay, how can we work to save our natural world? The natural resources that are available. Give me 2 examples of natural resources that is available.
Water and plants.
Water and
Plant.
clouds.
Air.
And plants.
Example of natural
Oxygen.
resources.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, you can say land, water, and air. Okay, fine.
Land, water.
Yes, but to be very specific, it can be oil, coal, natural gases, the metals, right? These are the things from which we benefit. Oil that is used for our day-to-day. We can say petrol, kerosene. These are different types of oils. These are the natural resources. Then again, the coal. Everybody has seen coal. Again, coal is used to produce heat energy, and that heat energy is used to produce electricity. So somewhere or another, we are exhausting coal also. Then we have the natural gas. We have the LPG. Everybody has an LPG cylinder at your houses, or we have a pipeline for the gases. What is it? These are the natural resources. What will happen if we use them recklessly? Everything will come to an end, and then our future generations will not have an access to it. Okay, so how can we save them? Simply, how can we save them, beta?
Not using.
Yes, by using
Stop cutting trees, killing animals for fun, and stop climate change.
Yes, by this.
Ma'am, do you know safe way of making a leather cloth or something?
Actually, like I'm not very sure about it, but yes, the fake thing is also being made. The fake thing, but again, you know what happens? It becomes a symbol for pride, a symbol for status.
We can use electric cars.
Yes, perfect.
Leathers are made of some animals. So instead of using those animals to make leathers, we can use. After few years, it will not be that expensive.
Definitely. And how do we harm our world? Anybody?
Ma'am, electric cars do one more harming to the world.
Yes, if you use electricity, yes, that the harm that we are causing to our natural resources.
The solar powers and the natural.
Perfect.
Yeah, you can use that. But ma'am, electric cars even go with a pissing noise that annoys every single dog or any type of animal near it.
Is it because is it Hamza that creates some annoying noise if the cars are driven by electricity?
Yes, ma'am. We cannot hear that noise, but dogs and cats can.
Oh wow, that's interesting. I did not know it. Wow. Okay. And how can small things such as recycling help to care for our environment? What will happen if you recycle it? How can recycling help, Pita?
If you use a paper and then throw it in a dustbin, and you don't recycle it, then they have to cut new trees to make new papers. But then if you recycle the papers, then you don't need to make new trees.
Perfect.
Cut new trees.
Yes, kind of just converted into some new form, and we can use the same material again. So we are not even wasting, and we are putting it into use one more time. So we are not wasting the resources. So by these small things, we'll be saving our environment. See, we've discussed up till here. Let me see the page number. Page number is 95. And in our further lectures, we'll be continuing from here. Okay? We'll be just learning about looking after the world. Okay? We'll be ending our lectures over here. We'll be posting an assignment on electricity. Please be very attentive. I did not post it during the vacations because I wanted you to relax and enjoy for a week. I'll be posting it today. Please see to it that you finish it within 2-3 days and submit it, because it will help you to revise your questions. Okay? Chalo, till then, take care. Cases are rising. Be safe. Do not take it lightly. Be very safe, and then definitely looking forward for for more lectures with you. Bye. Have a great day ahead.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.